Well, I took care of part of the impossible so far on the top of the gas tank. I got the smaller one off. I snapped one bolt, but I got the other four out with PB blaster, a hammer, and a screwdriver. I was kept on whacking away when I was turning it, and I finally got it out. I believe this one's a sending unit, I think, for it. I have to take it out all the way, but I've got a hose in the way right now. But I believe that's what that's for. Might be the sending unit. So, yeah, just playing with stuff here and there as I figure it out. And, I mean, the other ones here, I'm soaking those again with PB Blaster. I'm going to see if I can break all those loose for that top, that big part of it. But, I don't know, I think the wiring is what goes here for the sending unit. But, yeah. So, progress is always slow, but it's still progress. So, that's about it for now. Talk to you guys later.